you need to be clear about the bonding system, the lining protection, and the wiring in your boat. And you need to be careful, avoid that some cable be close to other ones. I have a history about a couple of guys that they took this class a year, 2 years ago, and during the class they bought a catamaran, Leopard 44, and they repaired the majority of the items, and they live in the boat right now. It's Chris and Claudia. Chris, hello. They are here in I think so in Margarita in Venezuela, in the boat. And one day they repaired the diesel engines as part of this class. They did the wiring completely. They installed the Victron system.
He was in a produce.
Yeah.
Him rebuilding his own motors.
Him and his wife.
Yeah.
Both of them. And now they live in the boat. But one day they called me at 1 a.m. Mr. Lopez, we have a ghost in the boat. Look at this. This is the storm. And with the camera, and rain, and strikes, and we don't have power in the boat. No AC, no DC. But let me check, Mr. Lopez. See, in the starboard side engine, the tachometer suddenly start the light of the tachometer and show 4,000 RPMs. But the engines are off, everything is off, and suddenly, once again, 4,000 RPMs, tachometer, and suddenly turn off. We don't have DC, we don't have AC, everything is off. It's in the middle of the night. Mr. Lopez! No, maybe, I don't know what happened. Okay. I was thinking. All right, the tachometer. The tachometer turned on suddenly during the storm and showed some RPMs and stopped suddenly. Okay. We are going to refresh the tachometer. You remember when we installed the tachometer? Mm-hmm. They have 3 terminals: signal, ground, and ignition. Okay. Where is coming the signal for the tachometer? From the alternator in the output of AC. No? Okay. Okay. The only way that the tachometer start or show something is because through the signal cable enter some current. Hey, my friend, can you turn on your camera with light and show me the engine of that tachometer? It's the starboard engine. Okay, Mr. Lopez. They open and they show with the camera, and this is the engine, the alternator here, and the bonding conductor on the wall, pretty close to the alternator. Pretty close to the alternator. During the storm, a lot of strike goes down through the bonding, and make an arc with the alternator, and the alternator is activated. And I said, okay, we are going to protect the alternator with a piece of rubber or something like this. And they protect, and no more. Next day, they move it, the bonding down and separate, because the bonding was pretty close to the alternator. And the proximity create the arc. That was the issue. Nice, no?